taste. See how it is. Hey guys, this is JdizzEats, and today we're gonna make some homemade caramel toast right here. And the ingredients to make this quick and easy, simple, delicious caramel toast are, we're gonna need some Japanese mayo. You can use regular mayo, but for today we're gonna use Japanese mayo. An egg, shredded cheese, sugar, and 2 slices of bread. So let's get into it on how to make some caramel toast, homemade style, JdizzEats. Let's go! First of all, we're gonna put some Japanese mayo. And then we're gonna spread it. Make sure you cover everything here. It should be like this. Next, we're gonna place some shredded cheese on the toast, on the bread. Make sure you get everything of it. Just like that. Now for the other one. We're gonna place our toast here. And we're gonna put it on the toaster. And we're gonna toast this for 5 minutes. 200 degrees. While it's toasting, we're gonna crack an egg. Make sure you leave the yolk here. So don't put the yolk here. And then we separated the egg white and the yolk, just like that. And then we're gonna mix it. We're gonna break that yolk and make sure it's runny, a runny yolk, just a running yolk, nothing else in here. And that's for the next step after we toast the first part of our toast. First part is done right here. And now we're gonna put our yolk, our whisked yolk onto the toast. And you make sure you spread and wipe them completely. Brush them off like what you want to. Same with the other bread. Oh yeah, it's looking bright. There you go. That's what it should look like. And now top it off with sugar. Should look really shiny here. Back to the toaster and put them here. And I'll toast that for 5 minutes. 200 degrees once again.
Many hours later.
Oh, beautiful, beautiful. It's beautiful. Oh, boy. That's what we want to see. Oh. Oh. Done making our homemade caramel toast. It's beautiful, crusty there, and we're gonna give this a taste now. See how it is. So this is from my mom too, because she really enjoyed it. So that's why I made it for her. But we're gonna give this a taste. See how it is. It's sweet. It's almost like a dessert. It's like a sweet dessert in here. Except using like savory ingredients. So creative. And recommend making this at home. It's so good. It wants to make you have some more of it. My mom really liked it. My dad really liked it. It's really good. Not gonna lie. I think the mayo changes this. The mayo makes it better. So, if you did enjoy the video, please leave a like, comment, share, and subscribe for more videos and content. And guys, this is JdizzEats, and cheers, and see you guys next video. Bye!